DJI rarely lets anything slip before it's ready, which is exactly why this new image is turning heads across the camera community. A photo shared by well-known DJI leaker Igor Bogdanovich shows two 360-degree cameras sitting side by side, and one of them has something covering its branding. Someone clearly didn't want the name on that camera to be seen just yet, and that small detail alone tells you this isn't just another random spy shot floating around online. Once you notice it, it's hard to look away from what might actually be underneath. Look closely and you'll notice a strip of tape placed directly over the logo on the left camera, almost like it was hiding a name that wasn't supposed to leak this early. Normally, that kind of secrecy would make me pause before believing anything, but Igor has a track record of getting DJI leaks right more often than not. So when he points at something and says, "Pay attention," it's usually worth listening rather than dismissing it outright. Which makes you wonder, what exactly was worth covering up in the first place? Here's where it gets interesting, because what's underneath that tape appears to be labeling for a next-generation Osmo camera, widely believed to be the DJI Osmo 360 II. If that's accurate, it would mark the first real evidence that DJI is already moving on a successor to last year's DJI Osmo 360. And that raises an obvious question, since the current model still feels fairly fresh to a lot of creators. Thoughtful. What exactly changed enough to justify a new version so soon after the original just found its footing? Based on the leaked image, the answer might be almost nothing on the outside. The two cameras share the same body shape, the same screen placement, the same lens layout, and even the same mounting hardware, making them nearly impossible to tell apart at a glance. That's not unusual though, since companies often keep a proven design and instead upgrade what's happening internally, like the sensor, processor speed, stabilization, or battery life. In other words, don't judge this camera by its cover, because the real story is probably hiding inside where you can't see it yet. And if DJI really did keep the shell while quietly rebuilding the internals, that's exactly the kind of move that tends to catch people off guard. Even if the DJI Osmo 360 II is real and eventually launches, there's still a major unanswered question hanging over all of this. DJI's position in the US market has been uncertain for a while now, and that uncertainty hasn't gone away. So a global release doesn't automatically mean American creators will get their hands on this camera the same way, or at the same time, or possibly at all. It's a frustrating position to be in, especially for anyone who's been waiting to see what DJI does next. It's a reminder that a great leak doesn't always come with a guaranteed release, no matter how exciting the rumor sounds. It's worth remembering this is still just one photo, and DJI hasn't confirmed a single detail about it. We don't know if this is a finished retail unit, an early prototype, or something DJI is still testing internally behind closed doors. Reports like this tend to evolve fast though, so more pieces of the puzzle could surface sooner than people expect. So there you have it, a possible Osmo successor hiding in plain sight, wrapped in mystery and a strip of tape. If DJI really is working on this, what's the one upgrade you're hoping makes the cut? Drop your answer in the comments, hit like if this leak has you curious, and subscribe so you don't miss the update when more details surface. Because if this camera is coming, you'll want to know before everyone else does.